For factory automation, industrial hydraulics, and mobile applications, Bosch Rexroth offers intelligent components, customized system solutions, and digital services. With locations in over 80 countries and more than 32,000 employees worldwide, the German engineering company, which is part of the Bosch Group, ensures efficient, powerful, and safe movement in machines and systems of any size. As a leader in industrial automation, Bosch Rexroth is not only committed to digital innovation and transformation, but also prioritizes sustainability across its production plants.
Energy efficiency and sustainability is on the top of our strategic agenda. With our efforts to improve energy consumption, we reached a point where siloed and fragmented data was no longer sufficient. We need a unified and real-time data access to energy consumption for all our factories to improve. We were choosing Splunk as a partner because there was already a track record with the Bosch Group, which was proven and which delivered measurable value. Together with Splunk, we started to showcase the transparency and the analytics and of course the self-optimization of the equipment.
We use Splunk Enterprise platform for the energy usage, for the energy cost and for the carbon footprint. We get all the data from the machinery into the Splunk Enterprise software. We can show what is the low price or the high price, and we can say, okay, the machinery is going in the optimized timing slot.
The real-time dashboards of Splunk allow us to make faster and smarter decisions. In a model factory, we could reduce our energy cost about 20 to 30%, which was by a reduced energy usage of 10 to 15%. And in greenhouse emissions, it's 25 to 30% CO2 reduction. This benefits was quite impressive to see, and we were very fast. We introduced this solution just within 1 year.
We are very happy with the outcome of this POC. With Splunk, Cisco, and Consist, we have a solution for optimizing.
By introducing the Splunk platform, we get a high leap in observability. Without the implementation, it would still look fragmented and isolated, and we could not gain the holistic improvements. Now we are going to roll it out into our plants to have more automation of all these processes to gain the benefits of transparency, of having observability, and of course of putting AI on top. It was a great partnership we started. We did this in particular for energy use case here, but you can do it also for quality inspection, anomaly detection, all the other things where you can gain massive benefit in manufacturing. So we are really driving IT-OT convergence, and by this we can combine IT offerings like the one from Splunk, which is really outstanding in analytics, with our outstanding offering for connectivity.